Hello and welcome to Rebecca channel. This week I want to talk about the 6 elements of good artwork. These are: number 1, composition; 2, value; 3, color; 4, texture; 5, experimentation; and 6, emotions. The point here is for us to learn the rules before we can break them. When you break the norm, it has to be with a purpose. Otherwise, it will appear as a mistake. I think I heard this phrase from the paint codes, not sure, but it's the best way I heard on how to express this statement. In painting, there are no rules, but there are consequences. So now, let's go and analyze each of the 6 elements. Number 4 is texture. Texture can create so much interest. It can be very radical, like for example using marble powder as a base, or many other acrylic textures that you can use. Example, Crackle acrylic texture, a Pastel Ground, so many others. By the way, remember that if you paint in oil, you have to use this acrylic medium first, and then have oil over it. Do never apply acrylic over oil because it will not work. Other way to create textures is by the amount of paint that you are using, or also by your brush strokes. Sometimes you can also use palette knives. Investigate, play with it, and enjoy it. Find the way that you really like. A rule of thumb is to create your focal point, your main subject, should be the one that is most detailed and that it appears to be the softest, and leave the roughness, ergo the more textured parts, for the rest.